Hiya, Martin here. Thanks for joining me for this week's episode of Turner's Journey. I hope you're well and you have had amazing creative weeks and weekends in your workshops. This week's episode is a little bit of a special. I am heading off to Wizardry in Wood in London that is hosted by the Worshipful Company of Turners at Plaisterers Hall, which is at number 1 London Wall. I'm very excited to get there. I'm giving a talk at midday and it's currently about 9:45 and I need to get there nice and early so I can get set up, say hello to a few people that I know before giving the talk. And then this evening I'm demonstrating at the evening reception there. So looking forward to a super busy day, lots of pressing palms and meeting people, and also taking a look at some of the fantastic work that is on display at Plaisterers Hall for Wizardry in Wood 2025. Good morning, everybody. Thank you all very much for turning out today to come and see this talk from a professional wood turner that doesn't actually sell any wood turning. But in those 20 minutes that he showed me how to, or helped me turn a gardener's dibber, I was hooked. It only took 20 minutes. And I said, right, that's what I'm going to do. I've been in the creative industries since the early 2000s. I'm going to be a wood turner. So that's what I set out to do. So my original idea was to start sharing the experience. And this is the very first video that I put up onto YouTube. And it really is terrible looking back at it now. And I also wanted to give back to the community that started to help me on my way. Give back, share the experience. So since closing Hampshire Sheehan, I've got more time to film. I've got more time to share stuff. And I've got a renewed desire to communicate what I do and how I do it through the wonders of social media. And what you share might inspire more than anything you will ever make. Something you make is going to live in one person's house. Something you share can be shared with the whole wide world. With the chair of the Register of Professional Turners, Emma Cook, on her absolutely gorgeously glittery, sparkly stand that is absolutely representative of her very sparkly personality. Emma, tell me about your stand. What have we got here?
So, well, all sorts of things. I'm quite an eclectic turner and I love turning all sorts, but as Martin has said, I absolutely love colour. And not always lots of it. A little bit can just be enough, but yes, we've got all sorts of chameleon colours that change and colour shift, which is a colouring technique that I've kind of developed over the last few years. And a lot of those are hand carved because I have a carving background as well, so I like to incorporate the two with a bit of colour. And then we've got some resin pieces. I've done quite a lot of resin classes at Martin's place as well over the years. So these are just a development of that. This is kind of where I started really with the resin, was making spheres. But yeah, that's kind of the that's kind of the track that we're going down really at the moment. A little bit of colour and not so much round and brown.
Fantastic. No, today's been really busy. I've been walking around all day so far. I've done my talk at lunchtime, which was really well received.
It was
Thank you for coming to that. So, as the chair of the register, you've had quite a key input into the organising of this event. Just how important is Wizardry in Wood to wood turning in the UK?
It really is a celebration of wood turning and the skills and the ideas that people have for turning things. Everything here has been made from blocks of wood, or maybe blocks of wood with some resin or something added to it, but more or less it's been with pieces of wood, and not one single person, not one single competition piece or exhibitor has turned the same thing out of them. So this is it's just a celebration really, and it's inspirational. You've got to come to these events. They are so important.
They are. And how often is this event put on?
It is every 4 years, so it is once every 4 years. So do not miss the opportunity to come to this. It's just fabulous. Awesome. You will be brimming with ideas when you leave.
I must admit, it is an incredibly inspirational show.
Really
so, Emma, thank you very much
Thank
indeed
you,
for your time.
Thank
I will
you.
show you a few more things around the place today.
Brilliant.
Wizardry in Wood is a highlight of our company's calendar, once every 4 years. A real honour for this celebration of creativity, skill, passion for turning be happening during my year as master. I am indeed honoured.
Well, that wraps up the week at the workshop. It was a fantastic week. It's been quite quiet at times, but also on Wednesday evening I demonstrated at Didcot Woodturners, and I'd like to thank them for making me so welcome. I'm sorry I couldn't get any footage of that demo. Natalia has not been very well this week, so I had to go on my own. And then of course, as you have just seen, I went to Wizardry in Wood in London on Thursday and had a fantastic time. If you didn't go, you missed an absolute treat, so make sure you go and visit it next time round, which will be in 4 years' time. And since then, since I got back, I've been doing some admin and stuff around the workshop, and I've come up with a really nice idea to launch in January. Looking forward to that, but you will hear more about that, I dare say, in the next few weeks. Thanks very much indeed for watching. I look forward to seeing you again next week for another edition of Turner's Journey. Take care now. Bye-bye.